Hello everyone. Today I'm making a Christmas lollipop. Here's what you'll need. Red and white yarn, size 3 or 4. A 3.5mm crochet hook. A toothpick and school glue. Start by making a magic ring, then chain 3 and double crochet into the same ring.
Christmas time is meant to be, as you all can see, as you all can see.
On the last step of the double crochet, switch to white yarn. Next, work 2 double crochets in the magic ring with white yarn. Then switch back to red and make 2 more.
Time is meant to be.
Continue alternating colors every 2 stitches until you've completed 5 sections in red and 5 in white.
In a workshop far away, where toys are made for Christmas Day, elves work so hard night and day, bringing joy to light your way. From the North Pole straight to you, bringing joy and magic too. Gifts wrapped up in red and blue, love in everything they do. Elves are dancing all night long, singing festive Christmas songs, spreading cheer with every tune.
Creating a festive spiral pattern.
Snowflakes falling pure and white, twinkling in the sun.
When finished, cut the yarn and weave in the ends, leaving the final tail.
By the stars so bright, reindeer prance, they lead the way, gliding fast through Christmas.
Use your hook to weave the tail securely through different directions.
On this joyful holiday. From the North Pole straight to you, bringing joy and magic too. Gifts wrapped up.
Dip a toothpick in glue and wrap the tail around it tightly.
They do. Elves are dancing all night long, singing festive Christmas songs, spreading cheer with every tune, underneath the silver moon.
For extra security, dip the tip of the toothpick in glue. Use a clip to hold it in place while it dries. Once the glue has dried, your lollipop is ready.
Snowflakes falling pure and white, twinkling in.
If you love elves, I also have crochet patterns for them on Etsy. All links are in the info box. Thank you for watching. Happy crafting and have a magical holiday season.